Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dice in Line. Bisitahin natin ngayon guys ang may pupuntahan tayo guys. Isa siya sa mga sikreto ng mga Hongkongers na nasa city siya at bihira mo makikita sa city na may ganito. Mostly nakikita nyo to sa bundok. You can see these things or this, surprise mostly in the jungle. So I called it city in the jungle. No, jungle in the city. Yeah. So keep on watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell below. And leave your comments for more updates guys. Kasi binabalikan ko yung mga comments niyo. Sige, see ya! That is a yellow cascade hornbill and a ringed teal. Yan ang mga klase ng ibon nila dito. Hindi na siya nagpakita. Kanina kumain siya ng saging kaso naputol sa video ko. Hindi na ata kinaya. Anyway, let's move on. Ayan. Colorful blue-fronted Amazon parrot. Hi parrot! Blue, yellow, Macau. Yan. Hello. Can you talk? They called it, this kind of parrot, guys, they call it blue and yellow musco. In Latin word, it is ara araruna. Yeah, araruna or Aves psittaciformis or whatever. It is distributed from Panama and Paraguay, including the Brazil. Wow! Very big. Ang laki niya. Super! Ang laki niya. Nakakapagsalita ka ba? Hello? Hello? Ay, may ilo pa dito, oh. Secret ibis. It is the secret ibis. It's like ostrich. Yeah. Tres Piornis Ethiopicus. Evsiconiformis. This kind of birds, guys, called sacred ibis, and in Latin word is Tres Piornis Ethiopicus or Evsiconiformis. This is distributed by Africa, West Asia, and Southwest Pacific Australia. This kind of bird. Oh, seems like ostrich. Pero may kanya-kanya pala tayong. Yung first natin makikita yung bird is kanya-kanya nating, may kanya-kanya pala silang pangalan. Hindi dahil magkapareha sila ng aura. Isa lang sila, ostrich. Ayan. Para siyang yung pula yung mata niya. Pula at itim. Combination of white and black eyes. Oh, see ya. Bye-bye. Oh, and this one. Hello, little one. They're eating tomato, apple, yeah, fruits, kiwi, and then papaya. Look at that. They called it emerald starling. Emerald starling, the Latin words is Lamprotornis iris. Distributed from West Africa. Oh, really? It's from West Africa. Emerald starling. So guys, ito yung mga ibon dito. Ang gaganda nila. They are distributed from different countries. So, let's move on. Wow, very lovely. Hello. I like the color. Very clean, very neat. Parang may manok. You are also included as a bird. Yung may mga manok. Bagay si nanay dito. Pero ito hindi siya manok, ha. It's a bird. This kind of bird is Balimena or Mina. The Latin word is Leucopsar rothschildi. Distributed in northwestern Bali. So where is Bali? In Indonesia? I'm not sure, guys. Just correct me if I'm wrong. And this one and that one is the same. It's a silver pheasant. Silver pheasant. The Latin word is Lophura nectemera. Nectemera. So, yan. Parang iisang cage lang sila. May mga ano kasi sila ata. May same behavior. Ayan! Lumipad siya. Same lang din sa kabila. Yan sila. Ito is Balimena. Leucopsar. Parang sa kabila. Sinabi ko na. At kung yung colorful wala akong makita. Ayun! That kind on watching, guys. And please keep updated sa mga videos ko. Just click that notification bell. Sa hindi pa po nag-subscribe sa channel ko, please subscribe, guys. Thank you sa support. Sa mga nag-subscribe sa akin, thank you so much. It's a big help for me as a new YouTuber. Thank you so much. That's all for now, guys. Hope you like my video and hope you enjoy na nakakita kayo ng iba't ibang uri ng hayop. Iba't ibang uri ng ibon. 'Di ba? Lalo na sa mga nakatira sa city, bihira lang makakita sila ng ganong uri ng ibon. Sa Pinas kasi din, bihira lang din naman tayo nagkaroon ng ganong mga ibon. Those birds are distributed in different countries. So, opportunity ko na to na masilayan sila because I really like nature. So, kung papipiliin ako, guys, I choose to live in jungle, in the mountain areas or countryside than in the city. See you next time, guys. Bye. Thank you so much. Oh, it's crazy day.
Ay nako, kanina pa ako naghintay. Natutong na ang beauty ko, naka-aura ka, tapos ako ganito lang. Maniningil ako ng pautang.
Galing ako sa jungle. So hot in Hong Kong. Tingnan niya siya, guys. Nakaka-aura si Madam. Toing. Toing. Ang ganda. Anong ginamit mo sa mukha mo, te? Anong ginamit mo sa mukha mo? Anong galing mo sa mukha mo?
Wala, amoxicillin.
Ah! Ate, bakit na-infect ba yan?
Ha?
Na-infect?